The hierarchy of Ghana Immigration Service. A banner saying you're releasing 100 Ghana per day. Namu dia mote so mo slash it. Some mumu ye 50 afiso. Namu di 50 etimodin ben no. Etimode the other time make our say mpeni for mumu de nkemu dawo. Allowance mo beji entertainment allowance so disco allowance so beer allowance so appetizer allowance kwa mo beji enkem all my allowances. Some mo betu kwan ya mo kra mo de ye de mamu advance ansa mako. But in Kolani the ombe kwa bakra ba be pound chels anemba 50 Ghana. Now a charm yam krani nipa mienso mo sending me message na the end of the message Kwasi Asempa tell them we have the guns. And when I'm saying no, this is serious. Asempa tell them they should take the money. We have the guns. Adwemboni bani patrimo. Adwemboni bani patrim na etie nya brofre enya watermelon ni apemu ehudie wom. Enti se obi kratuo na odwe adwemboni a wonnim adwenya ekoso woni trim. Okratuo odwen so obetena o mekomade no. A wahu so obi kra sika Ghana must go ma. Or no security personnel no one ever done in ho kromfo aboni pani tuo akofesta no because e come den. Or no one ever done in ho arm robber because e come den no adentia ne kakra wo se ye de man no wo pani what na so na wo daka mu na air condition ibo papa no na mawiem ogin sa adwemboni mbo mo trim. And you be kaya, but you be free. These are security issues. Security issues. Bobabao, shomobo, or mubufu. A security issue. But at the end of the day, I'm so moon to mean canty. Ho, sir. Nidiani said, you know, crano, or the bed diboni. Not crime, a cost where mine. Kakra, into 100 Ghana. Would in mana, would be wuana. They sleep at the mercy of mosquitoes. Go to the borders, Nakoshe. Baby, amoda. Tent him. And you see that be put a momo. Tent him, no moda. Student mattress. Nakwabrani, one manager ne yire ene ne maho. The comfort of ni home. In the name of me immigration officer. What deploy me? I am going to work for the state in the interest of the state. Makadia kakra no so. What na so. Adwemboni ben no. Akadia kakra na ebe motivate me. Me who said there be okay, me see can 100. And to meche mienu, me I'm on the field. O de me di 50. Na me di 50 abehwe fie. And no so a what atna so. Adia you think the best start 1st June 50 no afi ma backdate no 22nd March. Who is taking that decision in the Ghana Immigration Service? A Controller General Mombeka Mienti and a deputy assistant why? Who is taking that decision to slash the allowance of more money brothers no and what just who no be traffic in Kola Ghana at the different country. Na nipa ne do on say woje na ukura 50 Ghana ne de ma wo calculate 50 no boso me so anya 3000 je 10,000 ma me fan kola ne nko a oje say comedy no on makwan ma on mo fan kola ne nko on makwan ma obi so odi ndubone e de ba e bribe na onje na on ma mo mbem. This is what we do to our security personnel when you dey yomo. Na ye wia ye twaye ho ya te se de ye nim de ekoso ye twaye ho ya ka say oh we provide for them, oh we resource them, the resource you mo anu nie. You see sometimes one empenifu a mo hihye mo de danjumaku mo ye nyoma de gu aban ho fin, mo ye nyoma de gu aban ho fin. Government has released the money. National security are releasing. But mon penifua, mon security no be better. The obeyanisa are buying, the obeyanisa are buying, the obeyanisa are buying. The obeyanisa are buying any wine, a buying a bois, would you dream bonnet at the think of Fosikasono? Na Bibiana, was a Crawford near Monsa, and a president, and a president, and a president. My goodness. Ghana Immigration Service, Munjaisa, and Kwasi Asempa. Give the money to the people. First, get them 50 Ghana, dear Nebeyo. Last me calculate here 50 times Nipa 500 now. Me deploy 25,000 to calculate here. Bosumi be a more back from March into calculate. Sa 25,000 a bear more day. A bear more day. Into one Dibiana yet. Sa 25,000 one benefit Dibiana yet. And then Uncle for sweat to and the dear more pesa. What pay too much? And our security personnel are suffering. I'm on to rinka. We will say it for them. Ghana Police Service. You remember how? I'm bread. Send me a much Kwasi Asempa. We continue to work for those in positions and joy. Niani namsa. Into jinso who and any yes, I know your cow. I was so sorry too because I said ye, but the team of Podie, ya mankrofon fa komapa enye adwuma eno no mo ye in the interest of the state or the akomapa eye onim say I am doing it for my country and at the end of the day benefit a woman me sabeka mama nipa di ya usa aden nipa di ya usa aden na bre o pani a wo ho a wo di mofra ne sika na ye say wo own retirement da because wo soa anom call retirement I work at where did he like I said the Lord has blessed me. Lord you know for him bless you. Lord you know for him bless you. Who share now the because sorry them so where who no J so and you forever be blessed. Now you dear blesser. Forever be blessed and now call so curse until a blessing in them no. We immigration officer my activity phone line I'm out. I send me a making. I send me you here Sama Brem 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. Me bacha wo ba membo din. O de che me say we immigration officer keke. Military for no mate mo dia no Ghana Police Service mo dia no kra dia doso mate. Ye beka masema ma munya botre. 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 Asumdwen Council wo frɛ me ni Kwasi Asempa ha ya Adom 106.3 FM. I don't know mama security personnel bro krom hasa. With all the rigorous training amodi my fam, you prepare them for work. Small allowance. Money dim kolasi kachi sa. Money dim kolasi kachi sa. Sikaka kla kolani money diachire. And you dear baby adai. What this can so? O dim kolasi kana dia ma girlfriend. On kwana sisi mude wa she. Wa je sisi mude sa hwe sisi said di achie. O gusu hwiam kolasi ka e de sisi mude. Be bressa. Jim Bonnie. Be bressa. I'm in Kwahumanaso. Hello, good morning.
Jim FM.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Ejaboko there.
Adom now.
Yametiasi. Who are immigration moana?
Policeman.
Oh, yeah, police for the idea and come ba mudi and so about the waba me mawa kwenya.
Yeah, you come and say last month, yeah, you sika. I did like the water the yet, and almost automatic, some more viability and some of this kind of but someone there am I. Yes, I dear my young Pablo, my hobby to see your size in your manyama, and Pablo the Beber and your social on River. I thought the Beber was something. I just walk out with nutrition. Yes, sir.
What they have to police for the India may basso pa, they are abba bebreno and yen to the Amebasso. Why?
The Modiana Brass never say, yeah, allowance to matter to your rent around your house, Martin Knabla, boy, not for more. And Knabla, not for you, at a button, you child is all better allowance, you try to can only water bit. How much is somewhere by the whatever, you kind.
I was here, Medasi Bebre, Medasi Pa, and Ebano 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 ofre me pacho Oma me immigration officers in the why sector bia meba scholarship secretariat ko enra ko scholarship secretariat ye beba ho immigration for the yan twetwe common Aisha piantum mame why I am contem and me penintentem why. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
What's up? Me, immigration show, sir. Me, me can find
Me bacho me tiopa.
Some of us, you could to move between Ghana and Burkina border. You spend 6 months. Allowance in the no VTA protest. No, I just can't. Mother, me no Kansas is here, but we have to me rent. Allowances, am I? Your medicals, Kakra, you did that, we are Ubako Pepara, Naibi. Nina, 4 years in India medicals, Maubia. That's how it is. More be my.
I got a Becabia Mamodo, menstrual. Why? Medasi Bebre, Medasi Pa, Medasi 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. Yanko Yanim. I shall fato some man now, dear. Me picking one Yanko. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Me pacho. Hello, good morning.
I jam pacho me wa hapa.
Me pacho.
Jim FM.
I'm interested in this.
But also, yeah. Armed forces.
I'm sorry, security. As armed forces for you. Okay, officers other rank.
Armed forces.
Officers no more no more other rank. Now, government increase pay. Now, officers now you almost they up to standard other rank, but so the abandonment in call. A lot of things cost uniform and no accommodation. And a rand reduction in the Basab
Mati Ebusia, Armed Forces, Meba Hopa, Medasi Bebre. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, Nana, to send me Nsem Abano. Ya papa. What the other big in Uncle Flies, every year. You have to use your money to rent, pay electricity. You be in the bush, sleep there. Now, at the end of the day, what will take a decision upon yourself? Say you are validated from March at the Bonnie Bay. We are talking out of pain. You know, come for. At the end of the answer. Obiaja na yere ene ne ma agufie abeden over 1 year na we sa eye mo ka bi waye ye bre ye tinusuo bye bye
Abusia Mati Medasi Bebre. Ye tinusuo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Jim FM.
Immigration officer. I'm some person of that program this is.
Me bacho was.
So it's what say. President over the say. It is a story in Maya. Only yana. Yes, so. You need Arabasa. Your right, Arabasa. You see, no, because over enough. So we are even there. So about immigration head office. What is from the general one back? This is it's much coming. Just come down on the hole. And one second, only never tell you only never tell you. I can get you on party. You need it. You I can compare your own. You the casa. Men casa. And all good service in and all you say. You need it. You will be here. As some you say, just as I will be. And you say, you're your mama. People may see But you want to me, you see. It doesn't take money. The same cook flies and gear. I mean,
Jamate, hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, boss.
Afomi.
Nyamete ase.
Nyame shira oni adwuma wo yi.
Amen.
Make us see Upper East.
Upper East.
Yes.
Meet you.
The villa to be precise.
Mate, meet you.
You want man. And it is everywhere. Honestly. Nyame de nitia wa America ne say, you pay for no nyame adom omo training how to handle apples. The book mo ba ko ba.
There be patcho. Me patcho.
Nitia wa na maka no.
Me patcho there be there. Me sro.
Because only say everywhere ya wo start as me kan. Anaduna omo send message ba say, yam fi listen na for rent. That anaduna.
Almost mo family listen bra for them.
Yam fa listen na. Right, and now 8 p.m. I'm going to say, "Obia fan listen family." Just because patients not here, you're born chinti. They use it for treasure bill for so many months. Actually, here no mutual stocks. It is here, let's hear names here on the back. A message on the back. I'm paying names for 2 quarters. Last quarter, and this year, first quarter, and no names normally see a family. What about the rest? You will be sure for no way, member, not great. But university. How do I pay them? And then you can live home.
I be me patcho. I couldn't dear Mr. Why? Yo, yeah, do here, Medasi. Medasi be pray. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yes, madam.
Patcho. I didn't know one kasa. Now, me sing, baby, I want. Some of us, we are renting, we are paying hotel bills a day, 70 Ghana. That is what we are paying. And then you will just have a call overnight that you need to bring names of people want to withdraw. And this is what you are going to pay. And if it's taking effect from March, at least say what you are owing now, and tell us that from now going, this is what we are going to do. I'm sure. More can be my.
Mate, made us
we are living comfortably in our various stations before we've been sent to the bush. It is not easy. Thank you very much.
Made us be brave. Made us so after. Busia mean to me for calls bio. Na info a batteries enche. There will be a release from the Ghana Immigration Service. You're trying that release any day womb. Then we can pick it from there. But those who have started nurturing that idea, we have the guns. We beg you. Ghana is a peaceful country, and your name say penny for no. You can't or muti. You share the release, a womb. Now for you to me at Dwaso. Me the Kwasi Asempa wuti Adom 106.3 FM. I was here a special happy birthday and Janet Abna Anowa Somoa Moa Madina aka Abna Ginger aka Groom Up Ginger Yankopon Shao pa DJ Awana I say happy birthday and Odana Komasuye Yamin Shao and Edia Uyena. I was here and another special one and the self-glorious and the adorable Rose Mame Abba Amoa Tema Committee 2. Happy birthday to you, Rose Mame Abba Amoa Yankopon Shrao pa and your best friend Cecilia Lina Agbeko or Westlands Legon and Rane your birthday, belated birthday and come out Cecilia. Rose Mame Abba Amoa, happy birthday to you. Make off a quick break. Me Babaka, the Great Accra Regional Minister Tanasi Abechi come on, stay tuned.
Mothers of Africa. Mommy, my day in your day. And what's